How to take a screenshot with Game Bar in Windows 10. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. There are several ways you can take a screenshot on your desktop. One way is by using Xbox Game Bar, which is part of a suite of gaming tools in Windows 10. If you've never used Game Bar on your computer, you have to find it first. To do that, go to the magnifying glass on the taskbar and start typing Game. When Xbox Game Bar appears, click Open. If you've never used it before, you should get a welcome screen like this. The left uppermost menu is the important one we use for recording. And you can close the elements you won't use. If you want to access something later, you'll find it all in the Settings menu at the top. Anytime you want to use Game Bar again, just hit the Windows and the G letter key at the same time to start it. Now go to the screen you want to save. Now click the Snapshot button to take your screenshot. Once you've clicked the button, a pop-up saying Screenshot Saved will appear. You'll find your screenshot in the default folder, which is Captures in the Videos folder. You can make changes to default settings from the Windows Settings menu under Gaming. If in future Game Bar doesn't start, you can check here that it's on. In the Captures submenu, you can change the default folder if you wish. I stumbled across this app by digging around on my laptop, and it paid off. I was surprised to find that it was useful software and not just another piece of pre-installed bloatware on Windows. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.